We just got back from the 10th Annual National Strip Tillage Conference in Bloomington, Illinois, and precision technology was a hot topic during the 3-day conference. Drones took flight at the Precision Planting PTI Farm workshop. Precision Planting lead agronomist Jason Webster told the crowd of no-tillers and strip tillers that he is on board with the potential of these UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, to provide a significant return on investment. Now, Pete Youngblood, owner and president of Youngblood Ag, a precision dealer in Dysart, Iowa, gave a classroom presentation on precision technology and how certain tools are crucial to the success of strip till. And he's been to several strip till conferences over the years, but he's never seen this much interest in precision technology.
It's been growing, I think, in the last 2 years even. I've seen a large jump in it from the precision side, and a lot of guys will come to me and they go, "Hey, I got this monitor from you, and we got auto steer in it. Does that mean I could do strips and maybe go in between my old corn rows, or what could I do different?" And it's just been phenomenal. So it's caused us to do more with strip till, with row units, toolbars, attachments, those kind of things. And it's kind of been a progressive step.
In another precision-related session, Redicop, Sabanto, One Smart Spray, and Interplant talked about their cutting-edge technologies. We'll have highlights from that session coming soon to precisionfarmingdealer.com. In the Technology Corner, I'm Noah Newman.